So in last video we discussed about the skull, like everything related to that. Today would be all about the facial bones. This means our face bones. We'll count it out. Before that, you should know how many total bones of facial bones. There are 14 bones. So we'll count accordingly, and I have also a picture here from which we can understand it more nicely. So first thing comes the lower jaw. Lower jaw, which is simply very largest than all the structure in the facial bone, which is called as mandible, which means it's down mouth like part. Then lower jaw, we have second is called as upper jaw, that's called as a maxillary. Then comes the third one, that's basically called as zygomatic. Upper jaw, lower jaw is one, upper jaw is one. Upper jaws are two basically, maxillary are two. Then we have zygomatic, which is around two. Then we have the fourth one, that's called as a nasal bones. These are basically two. Then again fifth one, it's about lacrimal bone. That's basically two. Then we have another one which is called as vomer bone. That's basically one in number. Then comes another one which is called as inferior nasal, 7 1, which is called as inferior nasal conchae or something, conchae, which is two, which are two in numbers. Then comes 8 1, that's called as palatine bones. So these are how much? These are two in number. So I hope, and yes, these are palatine bones, also L shape like structure. So let's this mean if we just count it down, okay, so 1 plus 2, this 3 means 5, and these 3 means 10, and these both, this mean 14. So they all together we can say facial bones are around 14 in number. So let's check it out in the diagram so that we understand it more nicely, what's the position, everything. So first thing we have mandible and maxillary. So mandible is this purple like region which is 1 in number, so we just mandible. Then comes maxilla. Maxilla is this nose like region over here which are divided, so this means we say maxilla 2, mandible is 1. Then comes the inferior nasal, so this green like structure called as inferior nasal concha, which are 2 in number. Then comes here near the eye, so we say like tear generating called as lacrimal, which is over here. Then the nose like region, which are two, basically these two, which is called as nasal. Then comes the red like region over here, that's basically called as palatine, which are two in number. And here is zygomatic, this region called as zygomatic. And vomer is simply a strong bone, you might have seen like not, yes, basically this present inside the nose, that's called as a vomer, which is 1 in the number. So again this means 2 plus 2 plus 1 5, then these 5 and these 2, this mean altogether of course 14, and they all have different functioning. Even in before the nose, like the starting part does not have any bone, that's very like at the side we have these two bones, but in the middle we don't have any, that's why that's simply made up of cartilage, that's why it's quite soft. A cartilage is quite soft, we have done cartilage and the bones difference. So facial bones, I hope it would be very much clear. It was quite small, but still we need to count 14 bones. So yes, thank you for watching. Bye bye.